Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin, or BornHype, coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we got episode 15 of Reselling with BornHype, and in this video we got Supreme, we got the PlayStation 5s, as well as we have the Midnight Navy Japan Jordan 1s that dropped. Unfortunately, the first week of November was a bit slow. It was a little different than what I saw in a few of my Discords. A few things changed, so we didn't really get anything that week, but this week was very good. But make sure you guys leave a like down below and subscribe. Check out all the sponsors, links in the description. You guys know the drill, and I will catch you guys in the video. Peace. Now, before we get into the Supreme drop, let me show you guys the sponsor of today's video, Checkout Chimp. Now, Checkout Chimp is a free-to-use Supreme bot on your mobile device. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do once you download the bot is go to the profile section and add all your personal info. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is head over to add a task. Now, once you press add a task, the product page will come up with all the products dropping this week. Once you select the product, you input your profile, color, and size, and then you can change your task settings to auto or manual and press save, and you're good to go. Last thing you're going to want to do is press the settings page and then press the little Gmail icon and log into your personal Gmail, and that is it. You are perfectly set up for your next week of Supreme. Now just press start about 10 seconds before the drop. If you have to, solve a CAPTCHA and you should be good to go. Massive thank you to Checkout Chimp for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the Supreme drop. Here. Today we're going to be going for the aerial jacket as well as the folding knife for the personal, and yeah, let's see how this goes. We got about 30 seconds till drop here. Now, overall for week 12 of Supreme, I didn't really go for much. I just kind of went for the jacket and the knife. I didn't go for the skateboard, and unfortunately, I took a massive L this week. This was the first week in a minute that I took a complete L on Supreme when it wasn't really hyped at all, and there weren't any really bot issues. I kind of just picked up late. I don't know why. There was some issue for me. I really don't know what happened. I picked up late, didn't get anything I wanted at all on mech, and it just didn't go well. So unfortunately, that's what happened with Supreme this week. But let's move into the PlayStation 5s. Okay, guys, so we got about 5 minutes here until the PlayStation 5 drop. Now I'm going to be running Phantom as well as Prism for this drop. I did not go for the Xbox Series X as those didn't seem to be hitting as well as the PS5s, and I kind of thought they would drop down because usually Microsoft releases more stock than Sony, so I was thinking they were going to go down, but people cooked those and they didn't. So I'm ready to cook these PlayStation 5s, hopefully. We're running Prism, which just added Walmart today, and then we are also running Phantom. Now, I started half my tasks on Prism just because I'm using anti-CAPTCHA on there, so as you just saw, one of them, and some of these are still waiting for CAPTCHA, but I started them about 6 minutes ago, so we started about half, then we'll start about half 2 minutes before drop time, which is what the guide says, and same thing goes for Phantom. We'll start all of our tasks about a minute before, and yeah, hopefully we fry. I'm very excited, and yeah, I'll catch you guys during drop time. Attempting ATC on Phantom. 6 carded on Phantom. Nice. We hit one. Oh, we're carding like crazy on Prism. Submitting order. Nice. Hit one on. Nice. Prism. Oh my god. Prism. Oh my god. Prism. Prism. Chillax. 11. Oh, we're getting digital now. 12. Prism's cooking. Let's go, baby. I hit one. I hit two. Another one. That's three. I need more. Let's go. Six PlayStation so far. Still hitting. Carding now. Oh, we gotta check out. Nice. Here we go. It is now time. There we go. Just more. 100 PlayStation 5 checkouts on the day. Let's go. So going into the PS5 release now, this release went great for me. I ended up getting 21 checkouts for myself. Now, I got a bunch of cancels. They all kind of rolled in at once. I think about 12 got canceled total. I do not know for sure yet, so don't mark me on those words. I got two in so far, which we'll go over later. Which I was actually surprised because nobody else has gotten their orders in, as far as I know, from that restock that day, the 12 3 6 9 drops, yeah, that day. Nobody else got their orders in, but I ended up getting two in very quickly, so I'm very happy about that. But we ended up getting over 100 checkouts on the day. Now, most of these checkouts were slots that I was running for some friends on Twitter and Facebook. Now, I ended up getting the 21 for myself. A bunch of them got canceled. We'll see how many come in. And luckily, I don't think many of my slots that I ran got canceled. A lot of the people that I ran for knew what they were doing with their profiles. Luckily, I did not, since this was my first time ever really buying Walmart. But I'm not too mad with how it went, and Prism absolutely went insane with that update that morning. They dropped an update adding Walmart before the drop, and it just absolutely destroyed. It was perfect. I'm pretty sure they did the best out of any bot, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, they destroyed, and I couldn't be more happy with the way it went. All right, boys, we're going for the Jordan 1 Midnight Navies. Now, I don't know what's going on with my computer right now, but as you guys can see, my background is not there. It's currently saying I'm having an encoding overload on OBS every once in a while, and just something is bugging out with my computer right now. But I had my Hibbit tasks started, and I did not want to restart these because most of them are on waiting for the drop already. So, hopefully this drop goes well. I don't have my camera on because when I turn it on, actually, I'll just show you guys real quick. As you guys can see, it's like laggy, so I'm just gonna keep it off. And hopefully nothing messes with my computer. I think I hit Hibbit. Now for the last drop we had, this was the Midnight Navy Japan Jordan 1s. Now, they didn't drop on foot sites. They basically only dropped on Shopify as well as Hibbit. I ran for Shopify. It didn't go well. I'm horrible at Shopify and I need to get better at it. But I did hit Hibbit. I hit about 15 checkouts on there. I did get some cancels because I was hitting them off the restocks. Um, and I only hit one on initial. That one is good. It already, I'm pretty sure, shipped. I got the email notification. But the ones I hit off the restocks throughout the day, I'm pretty sure most of them got canceled, if not all of them, unfortunately. But we're guaranteed to get, I think, one or maybe two pairs from Hibbit, which would be great. So whenever those do come in, or whenever I get my shipping emails, I will keep you guys updated on that. So we did get some things in the mail this week. Now the first item we got was this PlayStation 5 here. We got two of them, as you can see back there. I am the only person I know that got them in this quick. Now, I did hit about 21 of them for myself personally. A bunch of them did indeed get canceled, so I don't know exactly how many are coming in. I'm kind of just waiting for them to show up till so we see then. But two of them came in so far, very quick. And I'm hoping a good amount more do because these are absolutely hitting, and I'm very happy that Prism dropped that update and absolutely destroyed that release. Now, the next item we got up here is the F off Air Force Ones from I've Never Heard of You. Now I bought these a while back. Um, After the Jordan ones, the red Jordan ones dropped from them, I resold those, made some profit, and then I saw that these were dropping, so I was like, why not? Let's also go for these. Now, these are a size 8. If anybody wants to buy them, let me know, because this is not my size and I will not be wearing this. Now, last but certainly not least, my Mocha ones have come in. We got 13 pairs that have came in. One of them is stuck in the shipment warehouse somewhere. It's just been delayed by like a week, so I don't know where that one is. But we did get 13 in the mail so far. Um, about half GS, half men's. But yeah, this is probably going to be the shoe of the year. These were very hard to get, and compared to my Travis's, I don't know why people were saying that this is better quality. I personally don't think this is better quality at all. Um, but yeah, if I didn't have my Travis highs and lows, I'd definitely rock a pair of these because these are straight heat. I can see why everybody loves them. And that is going to wrap up this episode of Reselling with BornHype. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys smash that like button down below. Hit subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Also check out all these sponsors. Links and discounts are in the description down below for you. Now I'm going to be bringing more vlog style footage to the channel for you guys. That's including shoes and reselling and all of that. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't really do anything these past 2 weeks as I've been locked in the house. I couldn't leave at all. My dad got corona, and me and my sister were obviously in contact with him. So we've been stuck in the house for a little bit. We got a few days left before we can leave. And yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy. You guys know the drill. If you did, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And yeah, this has been your boy Gavin or BornHype, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.